I let AI run my entire life for 30 days. What started as curiosity became something far deeper. We live in an age where machines learn faster than humans dream. Every decision we make shapes us, but what happens when we surrender that power? I created rules, no human choices for 30 days. AI would decide what I ate, when I slept, who I talked to. Day one felt like wearing someone else's skin. The AI chose oatmeal. Plain oatmeal. I hate oatmeal, but I ate every spoon like a faithful servant. By day 7, something shifted. The resistance faded. I was becoming someone new. Week 2 brought unexpected gifts. I read books I never would have chosen, called friends I'd forgotten. The AI saw patterns I couldn't. It knew I needed rest before I felt tired, food before I felt hungry. I started to trust it more than myself. Week 3 shattered everything. The AI told me to call my father. We hadn't spoken in years. That conversation changed us both. The machine had seen what my pride couldn't. The final week arrived like dawn after a long night. I was different, calmer, more connected to everything around me. Day 30 came. The experiment ended, but something had begun.